If your back and forward buttons in Chrome are missing or grayed out, don't worry. This is usually a simple fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable them again, bring back your navigation buttons, and use quick keyboard shortcuts as a backup. This is a fast Chrome troubleshooting guide that can save you a lot of frustration if your toolbar looks broken or your browser is stuck in full screen mode. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, check whether Chrome is in full screen mode. This is one of the most common reasons the back and forward buttons seem to disappear. On Windows, press F11 to exit full screen. On Mac, press Command, Control, and F together. Once you exit full screen, Chrome should restore the top bar and navigation controls. If the buttons are still missing or not working properly, the next step is to hard restart Chrome. Sometimes the browser interface gets glitched, and a simple refresh of the app itself can fix it. To do this, close every open Chrome window completely. Make sure Chrome is not just minimized. It should be fully shut down. Then reopen Chrome and check the toolbar again. In many cases, this alone will bring the back and forward buttons back to normal. If you're wondering why the buttons are grayed out, that can also happen when there's nowhere to go back or forward in your current browsing session. For example, if you've just opened a new tab or started a fresh page, those buttons may appear inactive until you visit another page. So if the icons are visible but gray, try opening a website, then moving to another page, and you should see them become active. Now, if you want a faster way to move through pages without relying on the buttons at all, Chrome has built-in keyboard shortcuts. To go back on Windows, press Alt and the left arrow. On Mac, press Command and the left bracket key. To go forward on Windows, press Alt and the right arrow. On Mac, press Command and the right bracket key. These shortcuts are especially useful if your mouse is not working well or if the toolbar is temporarily hidden. So, to quickly recap, if Chrome's back and forward buttons are missing, first exit full screen mode, then hard restart Chrome if needed. If the buttons are grayed out, it may simply mean there's no page history available yet. And if you need instant navigation, use the keyboard shortcuts to move back and forward right away. I hope this helped solve the issue for you. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple fixes and Chrome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.